The quality of any product can vary depending on the brand and product category. However, each and every product I bring to you has implemented measures to ensure the quality of the product. Amazon Basics 3-port USB 3.0 adapter with RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port. Brand Amazon Basics, color black, hardware interface Ethernet, USB 3.0, compatible devices laptops, desktops, total USB ports 3, adapter with 3 USB 3.0 ports and 1 Gigabit Ethernet port for connecting to PC, laptop, and other hubs, allows you to connect multiple devices simultaneously, supports 10 divided by 100 divided by 1000 Mbps bandwidth for fast transmission. Note, the actual speed could be impacted by other factors including Ethernet cables, routers, computer Ethernet card, etc. It's normal when you see the actual speed lower than 1000 Mbps, compatible with operating systems including Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows Me, Windows 2000, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Mac OS X v10.8. Does not support operating systems before laptops Windows 7 or Mac OS 10.6. Supports USB 3.0 high-speed transmission. Backwards compatible with USB 2.0. Maximum 900 mAh per port. Slim case takes up minimal desk space and is easy to travel with. Also, consider the YASY Ethernet adapter with USB A and USB-C ports, 4-in-1 USB 3.0 hub with RJ45 10 divided by 100 divided by 1000. Gigabit Internet converter LAN wired, aluminum portable network adapter for Windows, MacOS, Linux, Chromos. Also, consider USB 3.0 hub Ethernet with USB-C adapter, 3-port USB 3.0 splitter Gigabit Ethernet hub plus USB-C hub network RJ45 1000 Mbps USB extender. In conclusion, I hope that you found this video informative, engaging, and entertaining. I trust that it has provided you with valuable insights and information on the topic at hand. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing your feedback and comments. Keep learning, exploring, and growing, and I'll see you in the next video.